It's new car day. I am getting rid of the Mercedes, the C-Class. I absolutely love this car. As you can see, it's just a phenomenal car. However, I can't drive it properly. So the wheels are absolutely shit, meaning they look amazing, but they're absolutely terrible for me personally to drive around Lancashire, which is probably the densest population of potholes in the UK. I'm just putting it out there. I'm pretty sure that's a solid statistic that everybody would agree with. Anyway, I can't be handling the low profile tires anymore. So we got to go bigger, we got to go better, we got to go bolder. So I'm going to go pick it up because it's just had a tire replaced because I blew it out the other day on a pothole. I've repaired the rims several times, several tires, and I just can't be doing it with it anymore. It's an absolutely gorgeous car. I'm going to do a little bit of B-roll so you can see. Work mode activated. We are here. So I'm going to get a few more bits of work, I think. I don't know whether this channel, at the moment I'm doing vlogs and they are fun. And I do want to have some more structure to it. But this is about just getting out there, doing stuff, getting in the habit of filming and editing and all that. So you got vlogs for now. Hopefully they're entertaining enough for you. Maybe they're just nice white noise that you can have on in the background. However, we got some big business plans coming up. I'm really excited about this. Also, shit myself. So I want to vlog that and I want to make that a series. I want to take everybody on that journey. So this may go into more of a hair replacement channel where I'm just going to be here working and talking with my clients, and it's just going to be that day-to-day stuff with bits in between of, I don't know, going to get lunch or going to get new cars or perhaps setting up other businesses. Who knows? With some tips and tricks and stuff in there. Obviously, most people know me as the wig guy, the hair replacement guy, Hair Repair Club Northwest. And I think, you know, kind of like the social media guy, I reckon. I had some success on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and stuff, promoting my business. I help other people do the same. I business coach, mentor, all that, which I'm putting on pause in March. So that is all coming to a head just for the time being, because I need to focus on some bigger fish to fry. So I think filming a lot of that is going to be really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna see. Feel free to put in the comments. I will not be offended if you say, Josh, I don't want to see any of the wig stuff. I don't want to see any of the car stuff. Or I like this, I like that. It just gives me a good gauge of what you guys want to see. And if there's no comments, I'll just keep doing whatever I want to do. So, oh well. But yeah, we've got some work to do. I got Jack in next. He will let me do some filming. Maybe we'll have a good little conversation. He can tell you a bit about his journey. That might be interesting. It might not. We're going to see. Like I said, this is my show. It is what it is. It might just be my wife watching because she's my biggest fan. So go find yourself somebody like that and you're going to win at life. Anyway, let's get to it and let's get Jack in.
How have you been?
I'm good.
Good. I've heard you got a new car?
Oh yeah, what, have you seen it on social media?
Yeah, I spotted that earlier, yeah.
Yeah, I curved my wheels and everything so much.
Honestly, I ended up curbing mine the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, there was a taxi driver and he's in the middle of the road, literally in the middle. As I'm taking the corner, he was just there. So I had to move left.
I did that as soon. One of the first weeks that I got my car, I had to do that. I was trying to pull over for somebody and scraped it, but I actually fucked the alloys, so I had to get them fixed on 3 separate occasions within the space of 6 weeks. And I was like, you know what, it's
had enough.
I could, in hindsight, I could have got some bigger wheels, but not bigger wheels, like bigger tires. But I was like, I fancy a new car anyway. I thought I just nip it in the bud and be higher up, and that's it. How have you got on with this anyway?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah.
I've had no problems really. It started peeling a tiny bit at the front here, to be honest, and it did start, it's like a little scratch or something like that. That started a bit irritating.
Oh, did it? Yeah.
That's only been the last 2 days or so. So I was like, right, it's definitely due.
Yeah.
Definitely due.
How long's it been on for? A month?
Yeah.
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 Seems like
Just thought I'd just try and
you can't beat
every
it.
4 weeks.
You can't beat it like 4 weeks.
That's it. Carrying on with this.
Sick.
Go for some different styles over the years, who knows?
Yeah, what do you reckon you're going to go for next?
I've not a clue. Not a clue yet.
It's like GTA, innit?
Yeah.
You can afford it. You can do it.
Oh, you go for barbers and they get your hair cut. You hear the buzzing sound. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, we're going through the edit of this now, and I'm just trying to fill in some bits because there's a few days in one where this camera wasn't working, then I had to use my phone and stuff. So you're going to get to see the new car now, and I hope you like it as much as I do. So here it is. So yeah, loving the new car. Let me know what you think. Like being higher up, I love it. It's so cool. This thing's fast as well. So the M Sport, I'm pretty sure it's just like the little spoiler on the back and like how it looks. I don't think it's performance driven or anything, but the same as my other BMW, because we've got a 3 Series which Ainsley drives and an Estate. She loves it. It's old. It's like 2014 manual. I'm forever automatic now, but she loves that car, and yeah, it is a great car. And it's a similar thing to this where you put it in sport, like it goes, the 2-litre diesel, so love it. But yeah, we're gonna head to the gym now. I don't know what we're gonna do. I've trained a lot this week. I'm actually feeling better. I've been feeling a bit rough for the last few weeks. Tried that Retatrutide and I thought I was gonna wake up with a 6-pack and full of energy, and it made me so ill. And then I tried it again, it made me well ill again, like really bad. Like flu, and sort of I felt like I was dying. Sulfur burps, like burping horrible rotten egg burps and stuff. So I've knocked that on the head. Come on, pal. I've knocked that on the head. Not going to bother with that. But yesterday was the first day I started feeling a bit more human. Hence why this video is kind of split up over the days. I missed out a few days because I was just feeling so rough. But we're back in the gym. Had a good session yesterday, a couple of mediocre ones a few days before that, and today we're probably going to get a really good arm workout and maybe something else. I might film some stuff. We'll see how busy the gym is. I don't really want to set my camera up and be that annoying guy in the gym if there's too many people about and it's going to disturb people, but I will try. But yeah, I think like I'm really enjoying this, and I don't know, the driving ones are pretty cool. I think it's kind of like the lazy creator stuff is doing it in your car. We're going to be doing a little road trip soon in the car with the wife, with the dogs. We're going to go down to Birmingham, so not a huge road trip, a couple of hours, but no way, that looked like my old car. Not a huge road trip, but we're going to go down and visit the sister. We're staying in a dog-friendly hotel, which is really nice. Like a little, it looks kind of posh. So I hope it's nice. It wasn't that cheap. So I'm going to take you guys along for that as well. I'm going to document that. So you're going to get to meet my dad, my sister, niece and nephew, hopefully.